Good morning, children. Today we are going to do a chapter, a lesson from your Treetop book, that is English literature. We are going to start with the red-nosed reindeer. Alright, this is lesson number 3. Now the red-nosed reindeer. Now if you have ever seen the picture of a reindeer, have you ever thought where I have seen a reindeer? It is along with the Santa Claus, right? The Santa Claus comes riding on his mini sleigh, right, before the day of the Christmas. And what does Santa Claus do? He gives gifts to the deserving children, right? He gives gifts to all the poor and the needy and makes every children happy. Now the reindeer actually draws the carriage, or here the sleigh. Now this is a reindeer, right? Where do you find a reindeer? You find reindeer in the very northern part of Europe. You will find it in Alaska, in the region which is very very cold, rather very cold. Now here, usually the reindeer nose is brown. Okay, the tip of the nose is brown. But here we are going to talk about a reindeer who is a little odd. Now, I am sure, children, among all of us, we have seen there is someone who is a little peculiar, who is not just like the rest. We call them odd one out, right? And we often, even though it is very cruel, we make fun of them, we tease them, not even thinking twice that is it really hurting the person? The person is he feeling sad? We really don't care about the emotion sometimes, and we cruelly make a joke of that person because of his or her peculiarity, right? The story is about one such odd reindeer. If you read the chapter, please do read it and underline, wherever you think it's important. Rudolph was a young reindeer. He was not like the other reindeer. All the other reindeer had small brown noses, but Rudolph had a big shining red nose. So it was not only red, but it was also shining and glowing. So that was something very odd, and all the reindeer friends would make fun of him. Would the others make friendship with him? No. Yeah? So this is about Rudolph. So is a young reindeer. See, children, how they are describing. The describing words you have to underline. Young. And how was he? How was his nose? Small brown noses for others, but for Rudolph it was a big shining red nose. So these are all the describing words for nose. How was the nose? Big shining. So please underline big shining. These are describing words or adjectives which we use in a sentence to make the sentence colorful. The other reindeer teased him every day, to make fun of him every day. They laughed. Look at Rudolph's nose. It's red and big. But what could poor Rudolph do? All the other reindeer played and danced together, but Rudolph roamed about alone with his head down, and he was very sad. Yes? So we find that Rudolph is a loner. Nobody talks to Rudolph, and whenever anybody talks to him, it's only to jeer at him. Jeer at him means to make fun at him. Why? Because of his unusual nose. Can he really do something about it? No, it is God gifted, right? It is how nature, Mother Nature has made him. But nobody would understand his problem, and so Rudolph would always be sad and lonely. It was Christmas, and Rudolph went to bed waiting for Santa Claus to come. Santa knew Rudolph was a good reindeer. It was snowing hard that night, and Santa could not find his way. He thought to himself, "It's Christmas. I must reach all the children's houses and give them their presents. If I don't reach them, they will be very sad. Santa Claus said to his reindeer, hurry, my dear reindeer, we should not be late. Okay, so Santa Claus. Now Santa Claus is a jolly old elf. Is an elf who is like a fairy but a male fairy. Actually, Santa Claus is a historical character. It is drawn from Saint Nicholas. Okay, Saint Nicholas was a very good person who would actually go around and help the poor and the needy. Okay, give gifts and give money to anybody who wanted or who was poor, right? So from there, from that Saint Nicholas, the phenomena of Santa Claus has come. Okay, and we all believe till today that Santa Claus really comes to the children, to the deserving good children, and gives them gifts. How? You hang a stocking or a sock, and in the sock, what does he do? He put his gift at night when nobody can see. So Santa comes with his reindeer in a sleigh. But it was a typical night when there was a heavy snowfall and it was dark all around, and Santa could not search out the houses. Santa Claus reached the earth, but he was late. Everyone had gone to sleep. All the lights were switched off. See, children, how the author has written it in short sentences. Always make short sentences. He had a lot of gifts for good children. There was no moon and there was no stars too, because it was snowing. It was very difficult for him to find the houses. Santa Claus tried to peep into each house to see if there were children, but he could not see anything. Why? Because it was very dark, because there was snowfall and it was a moonless night with no stars at all. So Santa was rather stumbling, in the darkness. He needed a light. How he gets the light, we will see next day. You can also find it out by reading the chapter by yourself. Alright? Thank you.